Today we gonna talk about the Great War. So welcome to Brain Fountain and let's take a look at the war that broke out in Europe in 1914 and soon engulfed almost the entire world is described as the First World War, also known as the Great War erupted in the third quarter of 1914, reshaping the course of history and marking a watershed moment in global conflict. Triggered by the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary in Sarajevo, tensions between European powers exploded into a full-scale war. The world experienced an unprecedented Holocaust. The Central Powers, including Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottoman Empire, faced off against the Allies, which comprised primarily of Britain, France, Russia, and later, the United States. The war was characterized by brutal trench warfare along the Western Front, where soldiers endured harsh conditions and deadly stalemates for years. Technological advancements in weaponry and tactics led to unprecedented casualties on both sides. Naval blockades and unrestricted submarine warfare by Germany intensified the conflict at sea, while the advent of aircraft introduced aerial combat, marking the dawn of modern warfare. Back home, nations mobilized their economies and societies to support the war effort. Women took on new roles in factories and agriculture, while propaganda fueled nationalistic fervor and morale. The war saw the collapse of empire and the rise of new nations. The Russian Revolution of 1917 led to the overthrow of the monarchy and the rise of Bolshevik Russia. In 1917, the United States entered the conflict, tipping the balance in favor of the Allies. This war affected the economy of the entire world. The war had continued for 4 years and 3 months. Ultimately, the Great War came to an end in 1918 with the signing of the armistice, but its consequences reverberated for decades to come, setting the stage for the tumultuous 20th century. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like for more such videos. To comment.